Welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you how to connect a Wyze Cam to Google Home step by step in a clear and professional way. Step 1. Check compatibility and requirements. Make sure your Wyze Cam is set up and working properly in the Wyze app. You'll also need the Google Home app installed on your smartphone and a Google account. Step 2. Update apps and firmware. Confirm that the Wyze app and Google Home app are updated to their latest versions and that your Wyze Cam firmware is fully up to date. Step 3. Open the Google Home app. Launch the Google Home app and ensure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for your smart home devices. Step 4. Add a new device. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner, select Setup Device, then choose Works with Google. Step 5. Link the Wyze service. From the list of available services, search for Wyze Home and select it. Sign in using your Wyze account credentials and approve the connection. Step 6. Assign camera and test controls. After linking, assign your Wyze Cam to a room in Google Home. Try a voice command like, "Hey Google, show the living room camera" on a compatible smart display to make sure everything is working correctly. Your Wyze Cam is now connected to Google Home and ready for hands-free viewing and smart home integration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more smart home tutorials and helpful guides.